Hey everyone! Have you heard of Moringa? It comes from the miracle tree. Moringa powder is packed with good stuff. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Moringa has lots of vitamin C. It has more than oranges. It also has plenty of potassium like you find in bananas. And don't forget iron. Moringa has more iron than spinach. You also get calcium for strong bones and protein for energy. Moringa even has magnesium, which helps you relax. This miracle tree is a gift of nature. We're just getting started. Moringa is also an antioxidant superstar. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage. Moringa has special antioxidants called quercetin and chlorogenic acid. Quercetin is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It helps with allergies and joint pain. Chlorogenic acid helps balance blood sugar levels. These antioxidants work together to keep you healthy. They fight free radicals and protect your body. So how can Moringa make you healthier? Let me tell you, Moringa gives your immune system a boost. It helps your body fight off infections. Moringa is a natural anti-inflammatory too. It can reduce swelling and pain throughout the body. Moringa is great for your heart. It can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. It even helps to stabilize blood sugar levels. That means more energy and fewer sugar crashes. Moringa is a true gift for your overall well-being. Adding Moringa to your diet is super easy. You can mix the powder into smoothies for a healthy boost. Stir some into yogurt or sprinkle it on salads. You can even add it to soups and stews. Moringa has a slightly earthy taste. It blends well with many different flavors. The best part is that it's completely natural. Moringa is a gift from nature that can improve your health. Give it a try and see the difference.